Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial in Illustrator. Today we'll learn how to recolor any vector artwork using color themes. So as you can see, I have placed these icons. These icons are a bit advanced ones which has this glow around it, which is very difficult to recolor many times. And I have also kept a graphic which shows different colors. So as you can see, there are these three images also. So what we'll do is we'll pick these colors and recolor these vectors. So if you want to recolor these icons, so select these icons, go to edit menu, click on edit color, and inside edit color you'll find this recolor artwork. In recolor artwork you'll see there is this color theme picker. Click on it and then you'll get this eyedropper. Now we'll use these images to recolor these icons. So once I click on this, immediately you'll see these colors have been picked inside this, and everything including glow and everything is adjusted. Similarly, if I click on this one, these colors will be picked to create this kind of color set. And if I click on this one, these color shades will be picked. And if you don't want anything, for example, I'll just reset this. If you don't want this background to be used as your recolor output, so what you can do is you can take this out and place it over there. And now you can just select this group, go to edit recolor and recolor artwork. And inside this, click on color theme picker and then you can click on these things. So if you'll notice, I have clicked on this, immediately these colors have been picked. Similarly, if I click on this image, these colors will be used. And if I click on this image, these colors will be used. So you can even adjust these colors. So for example, now this pink is looking very light. So if you want to enhance or increase this pink, so what you can do is you can increase the length of this pink color and immediately more pink color will be shown here. Similarly, if you want to increase length of blue color, so then accordingly this will change. And if you want to adjust the brightness, so this is currently in brightness. So if I increase this, immediately this brightness will increase. So you can even adjust the saturation value of this. So if you click on this white circle next to this, you'll get to adjust saturation and hue. So if you slightly increase this and see, this colors gets updated accordingly. And in similar way, you can pick other colors also, and accordingly you can change their colors and hues. So if I don't want this red, I want orange more, so I can increase the orange value here, and accordingly orange will increase. If I want yellow, then I can increase the yellow value here. And similar way, you can adjust for other colors also. And in this fashion, you can even keep on changing the themes and adjust and look for best colors whichever is suited for your particular icons. And if you don't want any of these colors, if you want to go back to your previous color, just click on reset and you will be back to this particular color frame. So now you can even color this graphic in similar way. Just select it, go to edit, inside edit colors, same thing, go to recolor artwork and you'll find this color theme picker. Click on it, click on any image that you want and accordingly these colors will be changed based on those colors. So I hope you liked this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.